Ever encountered someone so aggressive that their words feel like weapons? What if you could use carefully crafted verbal tricks to diffuse that aggression and even make them feel remorse? Today, I'm revealing 6 dark psychology tactics to turn hostility into self-reflection. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring powerful verbal techniques designed to neutralize aggression and encourage accountability. These tactics aren't about manipulation for harm, they're about de-escalating volatile situations and prompting genuine introspection. Let's dive into these 6 verbal tricks. Trick 1. Reflective listening. Trick 1 is reflective listening. When faced with aggression, mirror the emotion calmly. "I can see you're really hurt right now." This forces the aggressor to hear their own feelings back at them, often initiating self-awareness and softening their stance. Trick 2. Paradoxical statements. Trick 2 is the use of paradoxical language. Offer a statement like, "I understand your anger comes from caring, but is anger truly a sign of care?" This unexpected twist can unsettle their rigid perspective, prompting them to reconsider their behavior. Trick 3. Leading questions. Trick 3 involves leading questions. Ask, "What exactly is fueling your anger today?" Such open-ended queries push them to articulate the root cause, often exposing inconsistencies in their logic and stirring regret. Trick 4. Empathetic challenge. Trick 4 is the empathetic challenge. Start with validation. "I get that you're feeling hurt and I value you." Then challenge them gently by asking, "But why choose to lash out instead of talking this through?" This mix of empathy and inquiry can prompt a shift in their mindset. Trick 5. Verbal mirroring and reframing. Trick 5 is all about verbal mirroring. If they declare, "You never understand me," respond with, "So you feel misunderstood? Tell me what I missed." By reframing their accusation into a question, you nudge them into a space of self-reflection. Trick 6. Softening the blow with vulnerability. Trick 6 uses vulnerability. Share your feelings calmly. "I feel deeply hurt by these words, and I want to understand what changed between us." This honest admission can catch an aggressive person off guard, encouraging them to reassess their behavior. Ethical considerations. Remember, these techniques carry power. Use them responsibly to de-escalate conflicts and foster understanding, not as tools for personal gain or manipulation. The goal is to transform aggression into constructive dialogue. If you found these verbal tricks insightful, imagine what other dark psychology tactics are waiting to be uncovered. Subscribe and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the art of influence and self-defense. Your words are your power. Use them wisely.